Good evening, Internet. Today is the 12th of September and the time is 10 p.m. I have reached Pathankot, my destination for today. It took me close to 11 hours to reach here, and the distance covered is a little over 500. I think the distance is 510 kilometers just in one day, that is today. I have checked into a hotel called Pathankot Club, which is in Pathankot, and I'm too tired. I just want to sleep now. I am taking a break journey in Pathankot. I was supposed to leave for Kashmir tomorrow. However, I will not be leaving for Kashmir tomorrow. I will take a break journey, and then I'll see. I think Bagheera also might need a maintenance check, so I'll just get it done tomorrow, and I'll take rest here in Pathankot. And stay tuned, and I'll keep you posted. Good night.
Next morning, a friend of mine, Kapil, and we went around Pathankot. We crossed Asia's largest cantonment in Pathankot called the Mamoon Cantt, and we went towards Ranjit Sagar Lake and Dam.
I never knew that there could be such a hilly area in Punjab, and I was really delighted and very surprised to see, and very happy to see also at the same.
Good afternoon, Internet. It is the 13th of September, around 1 o'clock afternoon, and I am now at the Ranjit Sagar Lake. It's a very beautiful lake near Pathankot, and have a look at it. And there's Bagheera. Good morning, Internet. Today is the 15th of September and the time is 6 a.m. and I am in a village called Sultanpur in Pathankot, Punjab in India, and I stayed here in this house last night. Today I'm gonna have a long day and a long ride, so I'm getting all prepared for the ride, and I'll see you on the way. I'm in this wonderful place at Pathankot. You can see this famous bridge here, and I have my old friend here, Vikas, and my new friend here, Rahul. Rahul is also a biker. He has a gym in which So Rahul has a gym in Pathankot in case you are interested in gymming. Along with Vikas, Rahul is also guiding me how to go out from here and enter into Jammu and Kashmir. So stay tuned. So these are internal roads. I had requested my friends to take me through the off-roads to enter the state of Jammu. In fact, now Jammu is a union territory in India. This is one of those internal roads. Good afternoon, Internet. I have reached Sultanpur and Bagheera needed a chain clean and lubrication. So I've stopped here at Rishabh Auto. Now on the way to Kashmir, Srinagar. Once Bagheera is done with its lubrication and cleaning, then we'll move ahead. See you soon. GoPro. There has been a lot of off-roading today. Now reached Chaitani Nala, and this is how Bagheera looks. Bagheera is completely dirty, and so am I. The road has so much dust and so much of off-roading, I cannot tell you, and I'm so excited. Though it has been a little bit tiring, but if you look at the surroundings, you will find that a little pain is okay. I'm about 2 hours from Srinagar. The Google map says about 100 kilometers, and so 2 hours and 20 minutes is what the Google map says. Let's see. So catch you up in Srinagar. This is 3K for Bagheera now in Jawahar Tunnel, Kashmir, India. Weather has suddenly become cool, and I'm starting to feel cold now. HR 36
HR
36 AH 1400. Hi. Haryana se. Good evening, internet from Srinagar. This is the Dal Lake, and I'm going in Shikara kind of a thing, and I will be staying in a houseboat for tonight.